pardon my dust. Just kind of reorganizing the entire office today. So I've got some new products lately and I just don't know where to put them. This big old backpack over here that I don't know where or how to fit on my wall. Maybe I'll just... I'm not just leaving blue tape in there. That's actually just going to be a placeholder because I might put a shelf there. Not quite sure. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna give away a free gimbal. Yeah, that's right, a gimbal. I'm teaming up with a couple of pretty awesome YouTubers and we're all gonna give away the DJI Osmo Pocket Gimbal. Entering is pretty easy. Just click the link in the description below. Follow our social channels for a chance to win. The more you enter, the better chance you have to win. That whole deal. Anyway, that contest is happening right now and it'll end on March 4th. Wait, hold on. March 4th? Yeah, that's right, March 4th, so enter now. I haven't really updated you on the whole office situation. So I still got my Aperture 120D, but I'm thinking about getting rid of my Aperture LS1 right over there. I used to put a purple gel and it would just kind of paint the wall behind me purpley. I don't know if I want that anymore. I'm actually thinking about painting the wall kind of like this dark gray kind of thing. Maybe because I recently hung out with Becky and Chris and I kind of want that cool vibe. I don't know, I'm so easily influenced. I cleared out the shelf over here. I used to have my original A6500 before I totally crashed it. Remember that? It's a very... no. There goes the vlog. Oh, we had some good times together, didn't we? Maybe I'll put this guy up over here. There we go. That's kind of cool. I dig that. That was made by my good buddy James Matthews. Go follow him. I don't even know what to do with this Jonathan Morrison plant over here. Oh, I also did a review on the DJI Osmo Pocket with the guys at Kinotika, Dave and Connor. So if you want to check out that video and my thoughts on the Osmo Pocket, then make sure to click the link right over here. Second reason why I wanted to make this video is because I kind of need some help decorating my studio. And so I have my backpack wall. I could continue that backpack wall all the way across over here on the adjacent wall, but I feel like I want to put a shelf here, maybe a two shelf kind of thing. I don't want to go the whole rustic industrial vibe look. Everyone's doing that and I don't want to do that. I just want something just clean, simple, and minimal. And so I'm actually thinking about getting rid of this desk, maybe doing a little stand-up desk, but it's so functional. Ooh, maybe I'll get like a custom tabletop. I don't know. Great thing about these Aperture lights is that they have this remote that can control pretty much every light they have. So my A light over here is increased the brightness. There we go. Now it's a little brighter. Okay, so I still got my Fernie pad here hanging over my closet door, and I got the sound panels over here. They actually do work just a little bit, but I'm thinking about adding some bass traps down in the corner, just because it's still a bit echoey in the room, and I don't have the best of knowledge as far as treating rooms acoustically go, so, but I think bass traps are the way to go. Also do what's in my camera backpack 2019. I've been meaning to do it, I just haven't. Also, I kind of want to do a review on this case over here. It's an SKB case, very similar to the Pelican case 1510, and this is where I house all my stuff over here. There's my other A6500. Wait, is this the A60? Yeah, A6500. A6400 is right over here. I got a bunch of cool tripods too that I haven't reviewed, like this guy over here. This is the Mi Photo Globetrotter tripod. I took this tripod to the Arctic, and man, this thing is awesome. It's super light, carbon fiber, and you can go. Must do a review on this. I am so sorry, guys. I am procrastinating, just like high school. Oh, and fun fact, I've been trying to learn French for the past 6 years because I hope to move to France one day and buy a cottage for my wife, but hasn't been really going well. Google Translate for the win! So I don't know if I've actually told you the story of this drone, but this is the first drone I've ever flown and crashed twice. Oh, good times. And yes, I know you guys have been asking, and we are going to do a comparison between the A6400 and the A6500 coming soon. I just gotta clean up all this junk over here. IKEA has been coming out with some pretty cool stuff, and this is where I got this glass dry erase board. Got it for like 20 bucks, so money in my pocket. I might put like a little workbench over here inspired by Armando. That might fit perfectly over here so I can put all my gadgets and gizmos aplenty. Still rocking this bag over here. That is my Think Tank Production Manager 40. Woo woo! It is an absolute mess over here. Oh, actually, no, it's pretty well organized. I should probably do an updated video on my current gear as well. Anyway, that's that over there. And that's pretty much it. Just need a little bit of advice as far as
decorating the studio, and also giving away a free gimbal, the DJI Osmo Pocket. And so if you want to enter, make sure to click the link below, but also help me out. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do with this wall over here. Do I do a shelf? Do I do movie posters? Do I do a backpack wall? Do I put up a marquee? Maybe neon signs? Should I tear down that wall, put a window in, maybe put French doors in, or not do anything and just sell the house and move to Canada? Ooh, that's a good idea. Well, any and all advice I would greatly appreciate. Leave comments down below. Again, if you want to enter this competition and win yourself the DJI Osmo Pocket Gimbal, then make sure to click the link below. Oh, and disclaimer, we're all not giving away a gimbal each, but just one DJI Osmo Pockets. But again, if you want a chance to win this gimbal, then make sure to click the link below. Oh, I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll just leave that blue tape there. Anyway, thumbs up, subs, bell, Instagram, Twitter. See you later.